Well, after a bit of a dramatic day, that's us. Got the rear transom panel now on, and a very, very quick block out of the rust buster primer. As you can see, I didn't do any skims of filler. That is literally it, blocked out, and a quick coat of primer and a bit of colour, wet on wet, just to protect the metal where I block through. So that will get done as a proper body prep and paint later on, but that's it, sorted for national now. Car can go back together. I'll come back down later and still just tacky and no more. I'll come back down later and get it back together and sat back on the car. Happy days. Thanks again, Express Steel Panels.